Injector used particular design with its flexible division of injection into several pre, main, and post-injections allows the engine and the injection system to be matched to each other in the best possible way. It allows the combustion process can be optimized to achieve low pollutant levels combined with lower fuel consumption. Fuel is injected into the combustion chamber from a common rail under high pressure. The electronic control system ensures that the start of injection, the quantity, and time. When the injector malfunctions, the vehicle may experience problems such as insufficient power or difficulty starting, and it needs to be inspected and repaired in a timely manner. We can provide injectors and injector components for Bosch, Caterpillar, Cummins, and Volvo.